In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Google Chrome Dark Mode. We'll walk through the easiest ways to switch Chrome to a darker look on both Windows and Mac, and I'll explain what each option actually changes so you know exactly which one to pick. The simplest and most consistent approach is to let Chrome follow your computer's overall theme. On Windows, open the Settings app, head to Personalization, then Colors, and choose the Dark Mode option. On a Mac, open System Settings, go to Appearance, and select Dark. As soon as you make that change, Chrome will adopt the dark theme automatically. This method is great because it keeps Chrome in sync with the rest of your system, so your menus, apps, and the browser all match without any extra tweaking. If you prefer to change only Chrome and leave your operating system in light mode, use Chrome's theme controls. Open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right, choose Settings, then go to Appearance and Open Theme. From there, pick a dark theme that you like, or select Customize Chrome and choose Dark. This focuses purely on Chrome's interface, the tabs, toolbar, and the new tab page background, without altering anything outside the browser. It's a nice option if you want a darker browser while keeping your desktop and other apps bright. There's also a quick New Tab option if you just want an instant visual switch. Open a new tab in Chrome and click Customize Chrome at the bottom right. Under Appearance, select Dark. The change is immediate and affects the look of the new tab page and overall Chrome interface, making it a fast way to get that darker aesthetic without digging through a lot of settings. A quick clarification before we wrap up. Dark mode changes the browser interface, not the content of every website. Many sites will still appear white unless they support dark mode on their own. Some modern sites detect your system theme and adapt, while others don't. If you regularly browse at night and want every page to be darker, you can look into extensions designed to darken websites, but keep in mind that results vary by site and extension. If your menus look slightly different from what you see here, don't worry. Names can vary slightly between operating system versions. Just look for appearance or theme within your settings, and that's it. Choose the method that fits your workflow and enjoy a more comfortable, low-glare browsing experience in Chrome.